If P and Q are positive, the question does not mention they are integer, is P by Q less than 1? So the question is P by Q less than 1? Inequality question. In inequality, the cross multiplication of the variables is allowed as long as they are positive. Because when you do the cross multiplication with negative variables, then the inequality sign needs to change. This can also be called multiplication of Q both sides, and when you multiply positive value both sides, the inequality sign does not change. So the rephrased inequality becomes is P less than Q, because we know P and Q are positive. We need to answer this question in the form of either yes or no. So we are going to look at the statement and the information available in them to answer the question. The first statement says that P is less than 4. But about the Q, there is no information. Therefore, the first statement is clearly not sufficient to answer the question, and we can eliminate two choices, option A and D. Now we go to the second statement. Second statement says that Q is less than 4. Once again, it leaves us vacuum for P. So not sufficient because we don't know anything about P, so we can't compare P and Q. Not sufficient. B option is also out. Now the third step is combining the two statements. Now we know P is less than 4 and we also know that Q is less than 4. So there can be different scenarios. For example, case 1 can be when P is equal to 2 and Q is equal to 3. In that case, P is less than Q, and answer to the question will be yes. But we could also take another possible case where P is equal to 3, whereas Q is equal to 2 and P is not less than Q. So answer to the question is no. Since we have inconsistent answers to the question, so statements combined also are not sufficient to answer the question, and answer of the question becomes option E. To answer the question, we need to have a unique solution. So here the answer is inconsistent between yes and no, therefore it is not sufficient. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like it, please subscribe to my YouTube channel.